Good morning, welcome to WFNM. My name is Nelson.
And my name is Mara. It's a gorgeous day to be a Panther.
Students and staff, our National Honor Society is still sponsoring a book donation drive. The drive runs until next Wednesday, May 15th.
The drop-off location for your new or gently used books is the school cafeteria during all lunches. These books will be donated to those in need at University Park Elementary.
Panthers auditions are coming up for next year's show choir classes. The auditions are tomorrow and Monday, May 13th from 3:45 to 6 p.m. in the choir room. These groups travel and perform throughout the year at places like Disney, NASCAR, and a cappella competitions, and more.
Join the Google Classroom code on the screen for more information. Be sure to watch the video at the end of the announcements.
The BSU Club is sponsoring a Neon Disco fundraiser. Tickets are $10 on sale online. This includes the skate rental, admissions, and glow sticks.
This event will be at Galaxy Skateway on Saturday, May 18th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m.
Scan the QR code on the flyer to buy a ticket.
Panthers, a message from your track and field coaches. Attention all track athletes that are not still competing must turn in their uniforms ASAP to avoid being placed on the dead list.
Congratulations to our very own Heritage Art students that submitted their work into the BPS School Board Art Show. Their work is amazing and several will be displayed in the Media Center. Great job, Ms. Rawlinson and our art students.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!
Hey, what's up, man? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Ernst.
It's Curly Aura.
We are from the Ambassador Show Choir in Heritage High School. You already know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So what we do, we sing. Basically, obviously,
dance.
we dance.
We beatbox. And we just have fun. So you guys should most definitely join Show Choir.
It's really fun and you get to know everybody in the class.
And we get to go to Disney.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you guys should join because you meet a lot of new friends and it can really open up your high school experience.
It's really fun and I love music, and a reason why you should join is because it's super fun.